Alright, so we've been getting a couple of calls about how to open one of these contacts. This is a Ecolink contact on it. It's the model WST-212. Basically what I did here, because of how you have to open them, is I went ahead and stuck the cover to the bottom of the contact on here, so that way we can open this up a little bit easier. But essentially what you do is you're going to slide this piece this way, and it'll unlock. You'll hear it click whenever it does it, and then after that you just take the cover straight off. So typically what you would probably do is hold it like this or hold it like this, and you're going to push and you'll hear it click just like that, and then you take this cover straight off, and then there is your battery. So what you'll need to do is probably take like a needle or something. I got this handy dandy little screwdriver here, but you'll take it and pop that battery right out, right towards the camera. And it is a CR2032. Let's see if we can get that to focus here. CR2032 battery. To replace it, what you'll do is make sure you see right here on the top, right underneath my finger, it's got a plus sign. This is the top of the battery essentially, and this is the bottom of the battery. Whenever we train our technicians, we actually tell them to install it, and we tell them this little saying called base face, and it means the base of the battery needs to be facing you whenever you put it in. The plus side is the base side. So on these, what you'll do is you see this little guy right here, this little metal piece. You're going to take this battery, you're going to push it up against that metal piece. You see it blinks that light, and then you push it so that these little clamps here and here lock onto the battery, hold it in place there. I'll usually push it down, make sure it's going to be good. Then what we do, take the cover, we're going to take the bottom of it, put it up against this side, put it back down where it's all even, and then we're going to snap it back in place the other way, and then it's held back in place. And that's it. That's how you change the battery on one of these guys. Thanks for watching.